Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We had a great event last night, which we met a lot of people at, hosted by Jane Rafter, the RLI Awards here in London. Over 200 people came, a lot of retailers, a lot of developers, a lot of shopping center owners. So it was great to meet them all, and it really seems like retail is back, especially on the restaurant side, leisure, entertainment. People are looking for experiences, and it really seems like quite a few of them are also interested in coming to Central Eastern Europe. So we hope to see a lot of them at the Retail Awards. Also, this is it's Friday, it's kind of the last day of the week, and I'd just like to thank BNP Paribas Real Estate Poland for sponsoring and partnering with us this week on the Coffee with Craig show. We did a great interview with Mateusz Skubiewski to talk about the capital markets. We've had over 12,000 views on that interview alone. So it's really a big success. So thank you guys for trusting us and having such a great week. We also have our investment awards coming up, which is October 20th and 21st at the Warsaw Intercontinental Hotel. A lot of new people coming, a lot of investors, quite a few flying over from London as well and the rest of continental Europe. So we're excited to see them. A couple new sponsors. We got PBB, Deutsche Pfandbriefbank, which has just signed up as well as a sponsor. So great to have them. Thank you very much for joining us. Now we'll just take a 20-second break, and then we'll come right back with the news from Europe, from our Europa Property site, all the highlights, and Winston Norman will give us the news. And so we've got a lot of interesting things in, but everyone have a good weekend. We're spending it in London for a couple of days. Great weather, amazing weather for London, so very happy for that. And we will all see you on Monday, so enjoy the weekend and have a safe and healthy time. See you Monday.
Good Friday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website. Tristan Capital Partners, in a joint venture with White Star Real Estate, has sold over 160,000 square metres of a prime urban logistics platform in Poland to Exeter. The platform consists of 5 assets located in Warsaw, Poznan, Wrocław, Gdansk and Siedlec. And according to James Brodie, he's the Managing Director, Portfolio and Asset Management at Tristan, the Polish industrial sector has seen strong growth in recent years. We have seen tremendous resilience in the industrial market throughout the last couple of years, with little sign of deal flow slowing. This robust market performance has allowed us to achieve our goals for this asset ahead of schedule and deliver a positive result for the fund's investors. And according to White Star Real Estate, they say, throughout the JV's tenure, we have benefited from exponential growth in the Polish logistics market, with the market seeing its single best quarter in its history in Q1 2021, with a gross take-up of 1.6 million square metres. It is clear that the warehouse real estate continues to remain highly competitive in Poland as a means of capital investment. Staying in Poland and moving on to the retail sector, where JLL and Tray Real Estate have released their second retail parks and convenience centres report for Poland, summarising the market regarding these projects at the end of H1 2021 and outlining the development prospects for the sector. The retail market is struggling with the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Forecasts for the sector are more optimistic than for the rest of Europe. According to Oxford Economics, retail sales in Poland are expected to grow by 4.9% per annum until 2023, which would put Poland in a leading position in Europe. 2021 is expected to see around 209,000 square metres of GLA solely in retail parks, meaning that 2021 would be a record-breaking year for retail parks in terms of space delivered to the market. And Anna Vysoka from JLL says, value retailers, off-price brands, those offering lower priced products and grocery and drugstore chains were the least affected by the pandemic, and their expansion plans have hardly changed. Action, Deals, Kick, Pepco, Teddy, and the new market entrants Half Price have successfully attracted consumers to their stores by offering attractive prices on a wide range of products. And according to Jacek Wesołowski from Tree Real Estate, he says, the last 15 months have proved that we are more resistant to restrictions than large format shopping centres. We also offer lower leasing costs than a mall. As a result, we are currently holding talks with companies that have not previously had a presence in retail parks, including the entire LPP group and the SMIC brand. In addition, there is a relatively large number of players making their debut in Poland, which are also interested in retail parks. Moving to Slovakia and staying in the retail sector, and Epiria, the first modern regional shopping centre in Prešov, the third biggest city in Slovakia, has opened its second stage. JTRE has expanded the Experia shopping mall, which now includes new fashion brands, restaurants and a multiplex cinema, with the retail area increasing by 50%. The entertainment and leisure offer has also been complemented by an addition of Kino Star's 5 modern boutique cinemas. Eating options have been increased, with modern concepts in the food court and a separate Burger King with a drive-in. And according to Pavel Pelikan, he's JTR's executive director, he says, construction of Epiria's second stage began in January 2020. The expansion was implemented by JTR, which has been behind the project since day one. This is their first project with such a scale, and a second stage is truly leveraged to full market potential. And he believes that we've achieved a good mix of shops, restaurants, services to meet the needs of over 100,000 residents in Prešov and the local area. And finally for today, coming back to Poland and going to the residential sector, Hungary-based developer Kordeja has completed the 17-story high Horizon Praga building in Warsaw, which is the highest ever residential building from the company. According to Tibor Foldy, he's the chairman of the board of Kordeja International, he says, Poland is playing an increasingly important role in our business alongside the strong Hungarian market. At the moment, there are almost 900 apartments are under construction and a further 3,500 are under development, and we plan to deliver 500 homes in the Polish market this year. We also plan to sell here 745 apartments in 2021 under the Kordeja and Polnord brand, which could be nearly half of the group's sales in all of its markets. Besides Horizon, Kordeja has been active in Krakow, Warsaw and the Tri-City, Sopot, Gdansk, Gdynia, and plans to expand to other Polish cities. And those are the main headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please log in. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend and see you on Monday.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.